Hi, here we are going to talk about another mobile app using Visual Studio 2019. Just go ahead and download and install Visual Studio 2019. Community version is free, but ensure you select the mobile development with .NET so that it installs the Xamarin C#.NET. And once they install, just open the Visual Studio 2019. And the coding is actually given in the command section. Okay, opening the Visual Studio 2019. Now click on the new project. Select the mobile app and click on next. You can leave the project name and solution name as it is, otherwise you can, if you want, you can change the project name and solution name. And then you can click on create. Select blank template and leave two platforms, Android and iOS. Okay, click OK. It opens the Visual Studio 2019 IDE, and now we are ready to write the code. So in the main app, main page.xaml file, you'll see that there is one label which is already there by default. A label control is there with a welcome message. Okay, just leave that. We are not going to do anything here. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just removing the layout of the label. It says center, so we don't want that, because that is what we are going to do here. Okay, so now open the class file of the main page, and here we're going to write some code based on which whether we are going to run Android or iOS, what kind of mobile we are going to execute. Okay, so this is the code which we are going to write in the class file. So if the device with that we are running is iOS, okay, where we need to display, where we are going to display the controls which is there in the sample file. If it is Android, where it has to be displayed. Okay, we already have a label control, right? So we are actually making the Android where this label has to display. So we are actually here, if you see 50.110.00, that means with 50 pixel to the left and 110 from the top, it will be displayed. So just put a breakpoint in the Android class file main activity and then execute it. You'll see that label which is by default it's there, right? So you will see that it's been aligned to this Android app. Okay, so we'll see that it's a little bit on the left side, right? So this is a way that we can write a little coding in the class file main activity. Okay, so now in the main page class file we have written a code, and we can use the same the functionality. We can write it in the XAML file itself. Let's see how to do that. So first what we have to do is we want to replace this coding in the XAML file itself, right? So what we will do is we will just comment this code as of now, because we don't want that. We want to write the same functionality in the XAML file itself, that is main page.xaml. Okay, So I'm just commenting this code, and we are going to write the same code in the main page.xaml. Let's see how to do that. So here this is the existing page, and here we are going to write just above the stack layout. Okay, we have to write this content page dot padding. It is a property of the content page, so which allows you to define the platform and the parameters of the iOS and Android. So iOS, these are case sensitive. So in iOS, the letter I is in small letter. Okay. So here by default Android 000, that's what we are given. So what we will do, we will use the same value 50 110 00, so that you'll understand how it looks actually. And maybe what we will do, we will change the first value to 110 and the next the top value as 50, and we will see how where this label is now getting placed. So the coding is same. You can write the same coding in class file and also XAML file. That's what we are trying to understand here in this video. Okay, so now just execute it, and you will see that the label is little bit deviated. It shows a little bit in the middle. Let us see the output. See, it is now almost like showing in the middle 110 and 50. So if you see another the comparison, you'll see how this actually worked. Okay, this is a screen. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you.